Good morning, all of you. Myself KVS Murthy, working as Assistant Professor in CSE Department, SRKR Engineering College. Course Cryptography and Network Security. Topic Model for Network Security. This is the block diagram for model of network security. Here, sender wants to send some message to the recipient in a secured manner. Suppose sender prepares a message and send it to the receiver using some information channel. So what is the possibility? If there is any intruder or opponent enters into the information channel, he is able to read the message. The message may be received by the receiver also, but they lost the confidentiality. So to achieve confidentiality, this model of network security is used. In this scheme, sender prepares a message and encrypts the message using some secret key to get the ciphertext, and this ciphertext is transmitted to the information channel. So if any analyst or intruder or unauthorized person enters into the information channel, he is able to read the ciphertext instead of plain text. It is not at all understandable to him. So to decrypt it, the analyst requires the key which is not known to him. Remember, the key is shared between sender and receiver, and it is not known to any other person including intruder. Now the ciphertext is received by the receiver. After receiving the ciphertext, the receiver will decrypt it using the same key which is used by the sender to get the plain message back. In this way, the model will operate. Here the major requirement is sender and receiver must share one common key from the trusted or third party. These are the keywords used in network security. Plain text, this is the original English message and it is understandable to all. Ciphertext, this is the output of the encryption process. Encryption, in this process, encryption is the process of converting plain text into ciphertext, and this encryption process will use a secret key. Decryption is the process of converting ciphertext back to plain text, and this decryption process will also use the secret key. The secret key is the shared information between the two authorized persons or sender and receiver, and this secret key is used in encryption process and also in the decryption process in sender machine. In the sender machine, the plain text M is converted into ciphertext C using key, and this ciphertext is transmitted into the communication channel. The expression on the sender machine is ciphertext C equal to EK of M, where E stands for encryption, K is the key, M is the plain message. The process in receiver's machine. In the receiver's machine, the ciphertext C is decrypted into the plain text M using the same key. Thus, the plain text will be received by the receiver. The expression on the receiver's machine is M equal to DK of C, where D is decryption, K is the key used, C is the ciphertext. In this way, the model for network security will operate. Thank you, one and all.